Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review VideoTap. So VideoTap is a tool that lets you repurpose your videos. You can turn your long videos into short clips, and once you do that, there are a lot of customization options. And one of the best features of VideoTap is that you can turn your videos into blog posts. Not only blog posts, you can also turn them to various social posts for Twitter or LinkedIn. And VideoTap is currently available on AppSumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $200, but at AppSumo you're getting this tool at only $49. This is a one-time single payment. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So you can generate highlight clips for social media, YouTube, TikTok, Reels or X, and there are also going to be more social media platforms added to VideoTap. You can automatically find the best highlights using the AI. You can generate blog posts, you can generate chapters or timestamps for YouTube, you can generate tags or description, you can generate tweets, generate summaries, generate translated blog posts, you can generate video subtitles and then export them in SRT or VTT. You can also generate transcripts. There is going to be no watermark and you will get access to all the current and future integrations. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. Tier 1 costs $49, where you can add one team member. You can upload 100 minutes of videos every month. You can create 15 social media clips every month. And you can also translate 15 content per month. There is also tier 2 and tier 3 that lets you add 20 team members, gives you 1500 minutes of video upload. You can create 150 social media clips and 150 translation per month. So if you want to buy VideoTap on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you are new to AppSumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let me show you how VideoTap works. So after you log into VideoTap, you're going to get this dashboard, and on here you have two methods in order to upload your video. You can use YouTube videos, so just click on this and then you have to provide the YouTube video link, and then this way you can add the video. Or you can also do that using upload a video, which means you can upload directly from your computer. So I already added a video from YouTube. Let me show you that. For that I will go to this video section and here's the video that I uploaded. So now let's open this. So on the left top side, you can see details about the video that you imported. So the import source, the duration of the video, and here's that video. And from this particular video, the AI has came up with 1, 2, and 3. So the AI has came up with 3 clips from this particular video, and you can also see details about those clips. So here's the title for this one. This is a 20-second clip and you can see what this clip is about. So here's the description, and you can also see the clip text or the transcription or the subtitle. And on the right side, you can also see the virality score. So based on this score, your video has more chances in order to get viral. So it has got 85. And then we have another clip that has got 80. And we also have, this is probably the best clip that has got 90 score. So it has probably the highest chances in order to get viral. And now let me show you all the editing options that you can use for customizing your clips. So click on edit. So the editor has now opened. Now you can obviously remove the watermark. You can choose the theme for the subtitle. So let me play this video.
Today, I'm going to run through 𝗗𝗃𝘀, an easy to use platform that lets you create.
So as you can see, here is the subtitle. So you can change the style or the theme of the subtitle from here. So it could be this one or also this one. And you can also show words or disable it. So once you disable the words, I don't think you can see the subtitle. Then you can change the highlight style. So it could be 1. So let's see the number 1 style. I'm going to change the text position to bottom and then play this video.
Sign and manage digital contracts with.
So this is one style, highlight style. We also have another one.
Secure e-signatures. If you're constantly chasing down digital.
And then we also have the third one.
Signatures and contracts, say hello to 𝗗𝗃𝘀.
And then you can also show the background. So you can choose a background color. And then you can change the transition. So these are some of the options. You can also change the text size, the text position, text styles, and you can also select between horizontal and vertical video style. And on here you can see the clip words or the subtitle, and you can also see the social media post that has been created using this clip. And on the editor, we also have this split scene, this feature, switch to portrait. We can change the speed. We can use this pen tool, and I think this is the timeline. And once the clip is ready, you can just click on export clip. So now you can share this clip or view it or also download it. So these three are the clips that are picked by the AI, but you can also pick clips manually. For that you have to click on this create a clip. So now we have got the full transcript for this video, for this particular YouTube video. So from this transcript, we can now pick clips manually. And for that, first we have to choose a starting point. For example, the starting point is going to be this one. And then we will select this whole part. Okay, so as you can see, after selecting this part, I can now click on this create a clip. So this way I can super easily manually create clips. So once again, let me show you. For example, I want to create a clip from here to here. So as you can see, I just want to create a clip only on the selected part. So after selecting, I just have to click on create clip and it is going to be created. And I can also edit the transcript. So now I can edit the transcript from here. I can remove some words or add something else if I want. So now let's go back to clips. And on this section, there is also this clip settings. So you can change the notification settings, the preferred language, the default page. You can also change the prompt, the base prompt for blog. You can change various clip settings. You can also add YouTube description. So after this clip section, we also have another section that is called dashboard. So this is the dashboard for this particular video, the YouTube video that we imported. So here we can see the title for this particular video. We can see the description. We can also generate another one with the AI. And a great feature on here is that video tab is automatically going to generate video chapters or the timestamp for your video. So you do not have to waste a lot of time in order to come up with one. So as you can see, here is the chapter. And if you do not like this one, you can also regenerate it using AI. And the AI has also given us some tags that we can use on our video in order to get more exposure on YouTube. And then we also have summary, the summary of our videos. So this is also good. And once again, we can regenerate it if we want. And at the end of the page, we have the meta description. And if I go back to the top, on the right side, you can see a very good coming soon feature that is published to YouTube. So you can connect your YouTube channel on video tab. And once you do that, you can upload your video directly from here by giving all the title, the description, chapters and all this. So this feature is coming soon. And there is also another feature upcoming, that is Clips 2.0. So on this upcoming feature, you will get more layout options and best-in-class styles and themes. So after the dashboard of this particular video, we also have another section that is called this blog. So what this blog feature does is create blog post from your videos. So the video that we uploaded, the YouTube video tab is going to create a blog post, a full blog post from this video. So as you can see, the generation process is currently going on. And there is also another feature on here. So once you have your blog post ready from this blog section, you can also translate it to any language. And these are all the language options. So all you have to do is just select a particular language and then just click on translate. And you are going to get the translated version of the blog post. And from videos, video tab doesn't only come up with the blog post, it also gives you social post. So for that, you have to go on here. And as you can see, based on this video, we have got a lot of tweets that we can share on Twitter or X. And another great feature that is upcoming, that is LinkedIn. So once this feature is released from YouTube videos, you will get Twitter post as well as LinkedIn post. And then we have the transcript section. So here you will get the full transcript. As you can see, the full transcript for this video. And the best part about this transcript is that you can replace any word. But if you remove any words, if you remove any sentences, that part is also going to be removed from the video. So for example, if I select this AppSumo part, now I can just backspace it. I can also replace this word with something else if I want. So this is how you can edit your video using the transcript. And there is another very helpful feature on transcript. So you will get the full subtitle of your video from here. So as you can see, here is the full subtitle. And the best part is you can also download the subtitle as SRT file. So here is the SRT file. Just click on download SRT if you want this subtitle. You can also download it as VTT file. So just click on this for downloading. So overall, video tab is an excellent tool that lets you repurpose your content. You can turn your long videos into short content. The AI is automatically going to give you some clips from your long videos. You can also pick manual clips if you want. And video tab also turns your clips into blog post or social media post. And there are so many features. You can get the YouTube chapters or the timestamps. There is a very good video editor. So if you want to buy video tab on a lifetime deal from AppSumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features. And these are 3 tiers that you can buy from AppSumo. So if you are new to AppSumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from AppSumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.